Welcome to my channel, dedicated to all things trading on TradingView. If you're passionate about financial markets, technical analysis, and trading strategies, you've come to the right place. Today we will explore the best two indicators with the name of RSI and RTI. First, we will talk about the Relative Strength Index RSI indicator. The RSI, Relative Strength Index, is a popular technical indicator used in financial markets to analyze the strength and momentum of price movements. And the second best indicator is RTI Relative Trend Index as compared to RSI. This indicator gives more accuracy and easy to know about overbought and oversold signals. So let's start to know about the strategy for good profit. Watch this video till the end, and if you like this video, then must subscribe our channel for more updation. So first we go to the search box and search the RTI indicator by Zierman, then select it. Then we will search the another indicator of range filter by sell, 5 minutes indicator on 5 minutes chart, then select it. Look at the chart, it's look like perfect chart. Now we choose one more indicator for best analysis buy-sell signals. We search the 10 in 1 different moving averages indicator by Himanshu and select it. After that, we change the setting of this indicator of HMA moving line with the 60 time period and change the color as you prefer. Now our strategy is ready in 5 minutes time frame. The rules are very simple. When the RTI indicator oversold and crows the price line above zero line. Second, the range filter indicates the buy signal. Third, the green bullish candle above the white HMA moving average line, then we take a long position. Our target hit with more than 4% risk reward. If the RTI indicator above the zero line and the range filter indicates the sell signal, then we ignore it and will take the short position. I hope I'm able to make you understand. If not, let's see another one. When the range filter indicates the sell signal and the RTI overbought and the same time the bearish candle below the white HMA line, that we take short position. The risk reward we take 1.5. And when the price is in consolidate action, be calm and wait for another good signal. There are few examples of trades. Let it check.
Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. We value your feedback and suggestions, so feel free to leave comments and let us know what you'd like to see more of on our channel.